Hi, welcome to Lulu La Vida. And today I'm bringing you guys a very juicy, easy, delicious recipe. It's turkey breast with lemon herbs. So these are the ingredients we're going to need: butter, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I have it combined already. We're going to need rosemary. We're going to need thyme and lemon. And then we're going to have our thermometer ready because we got to check the temperature once we put it in the oven. At this point, you can go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 while you blend all these ingredients so we can smother our chicken, not chicken, I'm sorry, our turkey breast. Or it could actually be a turkey, chicken breast. So what we do, we fill the cavities with a whole garlic cut in half, our lemon, our herbs, and then don't forget one thing, onion. Don't forget to season the cavity as well. Okay, once we have that, we tuck them in, and then we start spreading our butter all over generously. Please remember, this is what's going to make it juicy. You could put it over, in between, in under the skin. It's up to you. This is me. I'm very generous with the butter, both sides. Once we cover it up, and then we put it up for maybe about 2 hours. But what I do is every 30 minutes I open it up and I keep you know bringing up the butter juices over it so it can be juicy. The last 30 minutes I go ahead and uncover it so it could get a little toasty. But here's plated up. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Till next time.